Hello again everybody and welcome back to the garage. It's time for another AJS Budget Build video. Now if you watched our previous video, you'll know we've had a few little changes of heart with this project. I'm not going to paint it white anymore. I'm going to go for black and I'm just going to do my best on this frame because I need to get it done. I think if I spent hours and hours and hours and hours and hours and days and weeks on this frame, I could get it to a lovely nice finish, but the swing arm didn't look too bad after I'd done it in black. It has still got lots of unevenness on it, but I think it'll pass muster. So we're going to do the same with the frame. I've still got some filler to sand off, so the first thing to do is to set up the garage for doing that and crack on with a bit of sanding. Well, this is going to be a bit of a mixture of power sanding and hand sanding. I'm going to get the electric sander out first. We won't show you all of it because it's going to take a long time, but here's a little flavour of what we're doing.
I'm going away. And the sun gonna shine on a brand new day for me. A brand new day for love. Brand new day for me. Brand new day for love. Yeah, I'm motorboating.
Right, I think we're about ready to start priming. I've only got 2 cans of primer. I've got some more on order. I don't really want to go and buy them from Halfords because they're about twice the price that you can get them online. So maybe 2 cans will be enough. Don't know. Let's see. I've protected the bearing seats with masking tape in the end because stuffing blue roll in there didn't quite cut it. So yeah, plan is take it steady, just spray a little bit at a time.
On a brand new day for me. A brand new day for love. Brand new day for me. Brand new day for love. Brand new day for me. Brand new day for love.
Well, there we go. That's not looking too bad, I don't think. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go away, have a cup of tea and let this harden off a bit. And then we'll flip it over and then do it from the opposite way up. Right, I think that's dry enough now to flip over and paint from the underneath, and hopefully we'll get any areas that we missed. Well, there's definitely areas there that could do with a lot more filling and sanding in a perfect world, but if I spent the hours on that, I just don't think I'd make the deadline. But the black did seem to cover it up well on the swing arm, so we'll let that primer flash over and then we'll carry on with some black aerosol cans. Right, we'll give that 20 minutes or so and then flip it over and give it a second coat from the top side. Then I think we'll stand it on its end and hit any bits we've missed, obviously after giving it another 20 minutes or so. Right, well, I'm fairly confident in that base coat now. I think everything's covered. I'm going to leave that for about an hour, which is convenient because it is about dinner time. So I'm going to go and have my dinner. I'll come back out here and we'll give it a clear coat. Right, I've had my dinner and this has been curing while I've done so. And I've got me clear in a bucket of hot water, although it's warm today, still worth doing that. So I'll leave it upright like this and let's give it a clear coat. Well, there you go. I'm reasonably pleased with the finish on that. That's had 2 good clear coats over that base coat, and I think that's probably where I'll leave it. Tomorrow I might just flip it over and just pop a little bit of clear where it's touching the workmate there, but other than that, I believe the frame painting is done. So if you've enjoyed following along with us, don't forget to like and subscribe and all that YouTube stuff, and we'll see you again very soon in the next one.